Well, we're back here at Station 3 and 4 on the youth duck hunt. 2010. My cousin Shane, limits out, 10 o'clock. Ends his bag limit with two nice widgeon. One beautiful drake and one beautiful hen. And he's got 4 blue-winged teal too. Say something. You happy?
Yeah.
His first 2 widgeon. His second limit. Last year he got a limit here, all teal. And he's mixing it up a little bit with a beautiful drake widgeon and a hen to go with it. There's my brother. Decoys. Beautiful day, Saturday. Can't get no better than this. I'm loving it.
Nice hot breakfast will do good.
Yeah, time to go get a hot breakfast.
Coffee, a nap.
Getting those bad boys mounted. Ducks were flying today. Couldn't ask for a better day. Missed out on the rain, thank God.
Go find another kid. You got some neighbors or something?
Yeah, we need another kid to get another limit. Could only find one around the block. Turned out to be a perfect day. Cousin Shane, brother Brandon. We got it down pat here in Station 3 and 4. That's a beautiful way to end the season.